Alright then gang, so we've come a long way and we've done a lot, but before we finish up I want to show you one more thing, and that is how to order data that we receive back from Firestore, because at the minute you'll notice over here that these are not in time order. This is 2 minutes ago, this is an hour ago, then this is 26 minutes ago. So if this was in time order, then this should be above here, right? And that's going to cause some problems because we've only limited this to 3 notifications that show. So if they're not in time order, it could be a random 3 that we receive back, and we want the most recent 3. And the same goes for these over here. So if I created a new project right now, and let's just do test and test, then create. Okay, this goes to the top, but we'll do another and just do anything inside here, create that. And you notice this is not at the top, it's at the bottom now. So it seems random where these are placed. So we need a way to make this in time order so the most recent ones come to the top as well. And we can do that relatively easy. So let's go to our dashboard component, because this is where we actually retrieve the data, and we do that inside these objects. This is where we can set additional options on how we retrieve the data. We've already done it right here with this option. We're limiting this to 3 documents. Now then, if we want to order by something, then we literally just say order by. So for the notifications, I want to order by the property called time. So if we look at a notification, we can see it has a property called time. I want to order by that property. So I can say right here, order by, and then this is going to be an array, and then inside we're going to say we want to order by the time property, then comma, and we want it in descending order. So the most recent first, then the oldest. And we're going to do exactly the same for this thing up here, the projects. So we'll paste that in here, only this time the property is not called time, it's called created at, and we can see that if we click on a document, we can see created at. So let's switch that for created at over here. Created at, and then that should do the trick, my friends. So if we refresh over here now, we should see the most recent at the top, and we see the most recent at the top over here as well, and the oldest at the bottom. So let's just try this out with a new project. Let's say collect all the stars, and then whatever down here in the content, create that. And now we can see that at the top as well. And also we see the new notification at the top. We get the most recent 3 here now. So there we go, my friends. That is how we order our documents that we receive from Firestore. So now we've done that, I think that's pretty much all there is to this application. We've covered all authentication, all data to do with our projects, users and notifications. We've also done cloud functions to get these notifications. So the last thing to do is to deploy this application to Firebase, and I'll show you how to do that in the very next tutorial.